Let's chat with Grace. Hey, today we're going to talk about listing your home. It's a really crazy time and wondering, should I list? Should I not? What's the best thing? Well, if you're thinking about listing your home, you should really meet with us and get an opinion if this is the right time for you or not. One of the key things about listing your home is it ready? Are you ready? And is the market ready for your home? Because those three things will make all the difference in the world. Currently, right now, it's still a fantastic time to list property. But when you do, you have to think about a lot of things. And one of the big things that I really try to talk to people about is pricing is important, but strategy matters. And so what we do is we go in and we do a price evaluation, looking at a range of the price that you could consider. One of the things that a lot of people forget about, which is a very key point, buyers are looking on the internet. 99.9% of the buyers are on the internet looking for homes. It used to be 80%, then it went up to 94%. Now it's basically 100% are all online looking for homes. So they can only put in certain parameters in 25,000, 50,000. So anytime that you can be on a fence line. And so when I talk about a fence line, I mean a fence line of 25, 50,000 is really important. So instead of putting your house on the market for $524,999, you should put it on the market for $525. Anytime you're close to a fence line, $2,000 or $3,000, $4,000 off, it's important to put it on the fence line. When you do that, you increase your fishnet of buyers tremendously. You get 2 buyer groups, 3 buyer groups versus 1 buyer group. So that's a real key strategy to keep in mind. And if you're thinking about selling your home, give us a call. We'd love to meet with you and just figure it out.